How does one politely ask their refrigerator to stop making weird noises in the middle of the night? Refrigerators are an essential part of our daily lives, keeping our food fresh and our drinks cold. However, they can sometimes make weird and unsettling noises, especially during the night. This can be a source of annoyance and sleep disruption, leading to a feeling of frustration and irritability. So how can you politely ask your refrigerator to stop making weird noises in the middle of the night? Here are some tips that may help. 1. Identify the source of the noise. The first step in dealing with a noisy refrigerator is to identify the source of the noise. Different parts of the refrigerator can make different noises, such as the compressor, the fan, the condenser coils, or the water inlet valve. Some noises may be normal and expected, while others may indicate a problem that needs to be addressed. Once you have identified the source of the noise, you can determine the best way to address it. 2. Check for loose or worn-out parts. One common cause of refrigerator noise is loose or worn-out parts. Over time, the components of the refrigerator can become loose or worn out, leading to vibrations and rattling noises. To check for loose parts, turn off the refrigerator and remove the front grille. Then, use a flashlight to inspect the condenser fan, the evaporator fan, and the compressor. Tighten any loose screws or bolts, and replace any worn-out parts as needed. 3. Clean the condenser coils. Dirty or clogged condenser coils can also cause your refrigerator to make weird noises. Dust, dirt, and debris can accumulate on the coils, reducing the efficiency of the refrigerator and causing it to work harder than necessary. This can lead to loud vibrations and humming noises. To clean the condenser coils, turn off the refrigerator and unplug it from the electrical outlet. Then, use a soft brush or a vacuum cleaner to remove any dust or debris from the coils. 4. Adjust the temperature settings. Sometimes, weird noises from the refrigerator can be caused by temperature fluctuations. If the temperature inside the refrigerator is too low or too high, it can cause the compressor to work harder than necessary, leading to unusual noises. To address this issue, adjust the temperature settings of the refrigerator and freezer to the recommended levels. This can help the refrigerator run more smoothly and quietly. 5. Contact a professional repair service. If none of these tips work, or if you're not comfortable dealing with the problem yourself, it may be time to contact a professional repair service. A trained technician can diagnose the problem and provide a solution that will eliminate the weird noises coming from your refrigerator. While this may involve some expense, it can be a worthwhile investment in your peace of mind and sleep quality. 6. Politely communicate your needs. If the weird noises from your refrigerator are still causing sleep disruption, it's important to communicate your needs in a polite and respectful manner. You can try talking to your refrigerator in a calm and friendly tone, expressing your desire for a peaceful and quiet night's sleep. While this may seem silly or even comical, it can be a helpful way to release your frustration and create a more positive mindset. Conclusion. A noisy refrigerator can be a source of annoyance and sleep disruption, but there are several steps you can take to address the problem. By identifying the source of the noise, checking for loose or worn-out parts, cleaning the condenser coils, adjusting the temperature settings, contacting a professional repair service, and politely communicating your needs to your refrigerator, you can work towards eliminating the weird noises and achieving a peaceful night's sleep. Remember, it's important to address the problem in a timely and respectful manner, as ignoring it can lead to further frustration and stress. With these tips, you can approach the issue with confidence and get the quiet and restful sleep you deserve.